Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by removing immediate causes, oil and dirt on your hands and on the surface. Wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Once done, power off the phone, remove the case and any loose screen protector. Make sure to use a clean microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl or manufacturer-safe alcohol wipes. These dissolve oils without damaging coatings. Gently brush ports and edges for grit. You're starting with hygiene and safe cleaning materials, so subsequent steps work. Not just mask the problem. You now remove persistent fingerprints and restore surface properties. Wipe the display in straight, overlapping strokes from top to bottom. This avoids smearing oils into streaks. Clean around cameras and ports with a soft brush or dampened cotton swab. Make sure moisture stays off openings. Once the screen is spotless, apply a matte or oliphobic screen protector to reduce future prints. Align it slowly and use a card to expel bubbles. This step changes how skin oils interact with the surface, reducing visible marks over time. You finish by setting a maintenance routine and a single troubleshooting fallback. Wipe the screen with a clean microfiber cloth after heavy use. Make it a habit to handle the phone with dry hands to reduce transfer. Replace the oliphobic layer by installing a new protector every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if you notice persistent smudging. If fingerprints persist despite these measures, contact authorized service because the factory coating may be degraded. Alternatively, switch to a matte protector which hides prints better.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.